Iwan ko kung kailan kami yung isip ko guys, nagtuad baliskad. Alam ko nagtataka kayo bakit hindi kami magkasama ng asawa ko. So why you use that one for freezer?
Because
Good morning. May nangyari guys. Tignan nyo. Ano ng oras? 7:03 na at aalis na ako later. May story ako. This morning when I was lying down guys, may na-feel na basa. At saka when I was smelling it, it smells blood. Saan ba? Wala naman akong blood. Wala namang masakit. Guys, ito guys. Hindi masakit guys. Pero, hold on. Balik ako ha. I was sleeping and then suddenly, I feel something like wet. So, maliit siya guys. Tignan nyo. Walang samad, walang kahit ano-ano. Pero yung dugo lumalabas. You know, alam nyo na, lumalabas talaga siya. And also, last night, Tammy was here. 12 o'clock, I'm telling you. It's ridiculous. Because 12 o'clock this morning, ating gabi, yung aso guys, si Roxy at saka si Misty, the dog will just keep barking. They won't stop barking. And what happened was, I got like, Roxy, enough. But suddenly, like, I don't hear the door open. So what happened was, I go crazy. I said, I listen like what the heck is going on? And then parang may I don't hear the dog bark, but I can hear the commotion, like the excitement of the dog, and then I don't hear nobody. And so what happened is, you know, anong ginagawa ko? I don't wear slippers because flip-flops, because if you walk, you can, you know, it's like make noise. So I barefoot, and then I walk really slow on the stairs. I open the gate really quietly. Tignan nyo guys, maraming dugo guys. Kahit maliit siya guys, dugo. When I came down, Tam is playing with the dog. I was really shocked. So after work pala, he stopped in the other house, and then he came here. So which is good. And he argued with me like, today's a dialysis. They said, no, I will drive my mother. I will stay there. You just get here, you don't have enough sleep, and you wanna go drive your mother. I will drive it. I want him to relax, even though, you know, ayaw ko. Kasi, andito yung asawa ko, I wanna spend time with him. But no, I rather him go to sleep instead of me what I feel like, you know. Here's the guy that scares me, guys. He's washing dishes. Hi, Bug. Ako, guys. Getting ready.
you had turkey cut.
Huh?
I thought you had the turkey cut.
I did cut the turkey.
Like that? I'm looking for little pieces.
Oh, no.
Because you're like, oh, feed the dog. I already cut the turkey.
And I'll see you when we get back, okay? Cleaning your ear. Stop cleaning your ear.
Drive Caroline.
I love you.
Oh, you know what?
Relax. Did Misty eat?
Misty, over there. She ate some. Oh, you didn't push it over here?
Yeah.
She ate a lot more than Foxy did. She also all the turkey.
Let Misty out.
Go ahead, go ahead. Go get it.
No, I think it's not a rabbit. I think it's something. It's an animal.
But it was running so fast I couldn't tell. I heard them barking and it just went flying. Oh, stop. Animals not bothering you.
Okay, Han, I love you. I'll talk to you later.
They're calling, come and play, come and play.
I'll talk to you later, okay?
Drive careful.
Yeah, relax, son.
Yeah, you got everything. I gotta sell it to sleeves. You got everything,
I'd rather spend time with my husband. But, you know. Hi guys, I am here. Well, actually, I was here like a little 10. I dropped my mother-in-law, guys, at like time 10:15, oh 9:15, and then I went ahead to ShopRite, and then it's snowing a little bit. Until now, it's still dropping some snowflake, a little bit, you know, here and there you can see white drop, you know. But I think it's going to snow today, and I went to shop. I went to ShopRite to shop some like, you know, for dinner, and then for Thanksgiving I pick up few stuff that it won't go bad, that you know, it won't go bad. I cook it Wednesday. So anyway, so let's go inside. ShopRite guys, grabe yung tao, kasi yung iba nagsha-shopping na ahead. Maraming turkey doon, yung turkey upaw guys. The turkey, the box that where the turkey is, it's like 2 left over there. It's really fast. People are like, it's very quiet in this house. My sister-in-law been cleaning this house like crazy, and then she's here again, and then she clean up the mess also. Ay, ginoo ko, yung biyanan ko palaging nagkakalat. Ang kapatid ng asawa ko din naluloka sa kakalinis. Ganon pa rin. But anyway, I'm going to edit some video. Well, before that, I'm going to reply some comments from you guys. Good morning. Did I say good morning to you guys? Did I say good morning? I-ready ko lang yung kakainin ng biyanan ko. Para pagdating niya dito, okay na yung kakainin niya. Si Tommy, andun sa bahay. I called him guys, and then he says, he's a doorman. Tommy said he's a doorman because the dog wants to go outside all the time, so he's a doorman. And that's what he did the whole time, and lying down and relax. That's what I want him to do anyway. This moving, okay guys, sabihin ko sa inyo guys ha, naboboredom na ako guys. Iwan ko kung kailan kami talagang makaalis dito, yung mabinta na tong bahay na to, at saka doon na talaga kami. Iwan ko guys na yung isip ko guys, nagtuad baliskad yung isip ko. Ano bang mga pangyayaring ito? Ba't ganito yung asawa ko at saka biyanan ko? Yung asawa ko, hindi ko talaga ma-explain guys. Bumili kami ng bahay, ako nakatira dun, at saka kailan kami alis? Ay naku, naluluka ako. Kailan kami alis dito? Kailan sila alis dito? At kailan para mabinta na, para doon na talaga, at saka doon na yung asawa ko? Hindi ko talaga alam. Pati yung kapatid ng asawa ko guys, naluluka na to. Balis ka din yung isip niya. Kaya kapag kami mag-uusap, ang nangyayari, ay girl, ginoo ko, I always told her, palagi kong sinasabi sa kanya na, ayaw ko na gustong i-mention yan, ayaw ko na pag-usapan, maghintay na lang ako kung kailan ito mangyayari. Wala naman ako magagawa, hindi ko naman ito bahay, itong mga gamit dito, hindi naman sa akin. Anong gusto mong gawin ko? Kung gusto mo nang talagang, nag-aaway na nga kami ng asawa ko, ayaw ko ng ganyan. Palagi kong sinasabihin, ayaw ko ng mga, parang pinupost nila ako. Sabi ko, wag nyo na akong i-post, kasi kami lang mag-asawa nag-aaway dahil sa mga post-post nyo yan. Pinupost niya ako para i-post yung asawa ko. So, hintay na lang ako. May bahay na ako, yung gamit ko ando na. Yung gamit ng asawa ko, mayroon pa dito, marami pa. So, iwan ko na lang guys. Alam ko nagtataka kayo bakit hindi kami magkasama ng asawa ko, but dito yung si Tommy, andun ako. Kasi, nandito yung matanda, kapag yung dialysis niyan dito, mas malapit-lapit dito sa trabaho. So, saan mag-stay yung asawa ko? So, gusto ko dito din siya. Papiliin ako dito sa bahay, itong bahay na to, or bahay namin. Of course, dun ako sa bahay namin, malinis, malinis, walang kalat, hindi masakit sa ulo ba tignan yung palibot, yung paligid. So ito ang nangyayari, magkita-kita kami ng asawa ko, kinukuha ko yung biyanan ko, at saka hatid ko, ganyan para makatulong din ako sa asawa ko, hatid sundo na lang, at saka kung mag-alala yung asawa ko every weekend na, para may kasama yung biyanan ko. So kinukuha ako siya Friday para pag weekend may kasama yung biyanan, hindi siya mag-isa dito kung may mangyayari, ganyan. Anyway guys, I will see you later because it's already, oh shit, I almost dropped that thing. See you later. I'm gonna take that out. nagluluto ako guys ng dinner. So, I just put the ribs sa oven, and then I made some I made a garlic bread. That garlic bread guys is so yummy. So yummy. Saka salad at rice, yun lang. Saka vegetables from chocolate. Sobrang pagod ni Sir Tommy. Tignan mo. Tulog na tulog. Look at the bag right there. Tapos na guys, malapit nang naubos guys. Tignan nyo. This garlic. Do you like the garlic bread?
Yeah.
Of course. I have only one big Ziploc bag here. The big one that you said that it will save.
The big giant ones?
Huh?
The big giant ones?
Yeah, it's one over here from, I think that's, you wrap the freezer one, the salmon.
Yeah.
That's why I have one.
Nice bag, right? It's not a freezer bag.
So big though.
I know. Well, I like it because you can fit the whole loaf of bread in it and stuff. But
Yeah,
it's
but
not,
you cannot use it all the time.
no, it's a good bag, but it's not for freezer. Like this is
So why you use that one for freezer?
because I don't. There's no big ones that are for freezer, so I figured I'll put it in there. At least it'll give it some extra protection.
Okay. I'm not touching your other salmon though over there. That's for you over there.
Yeah, you're watching.
No, I didn't. I'm just saying that
I got
I'm
one piece left here. You should have just taken it. Not even one piece. You just got a little tiny thing.
because I like it.
Huh?
Sir?
This piece is a little cool, aren't you?
What? Misty is looking for food?
Yeah, let me get us some food. I'll put a little of the juice in the pot.
Of course, she's always looking for food over there in the table, but if you feed him, let's
No,
see.
she's looking at it there. I am.
Huh? What's up my camera? Don't knock it over. You need to do is feed them. You don't feed them, you feed the cat, but you don't feed the dog.
Because I'll tell you, they just
I know, but
ate not long ago. They didn't want to eat all day long. So, you know, if you do that, I'm going to eat again.
Allah, the impulse run away when the phone is ringing. It's okay.
No, baby, I think our kids like corn liquor.
Joking aside, I think you should give him another one of those drugs and alcohol talks anyway.
Part about the drugs yet, so you guys stay put. And I'll be back here in a minute with a really scary metaphor about eggs frying in a pan.
You like it, baby? Do you like it, baby?
Dangerous part about drugs yet.
Oh,
Michelle had a party and she didn't
you like
invite
it,
us.
baby? Oh. Come here, Mitz.
Here's a cheerleader.
I said,
But anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video. Andun si Tommy sa baba. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed the dinner, the ribs. We have ribs that cook in the bag, and also salad and mixed vegetables, and also yung garlic bread at saka rice. So yun, we enjoy our dinner, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bukas na din ulit guys. Salamat sa panonood, and yeah, bye guys. Good night. Good night guys. Bye-bye. Do you wanna go to the other house tomorrow? Which one do you want? So anyway, so that's how I ate it guys. So very simple. Then after that, I will